Today I'm showing you how to crochet the Alpine stitch, so grab your crochet stuff and let's get going. Today I'll be using a lightweight wool yarn and a 4mm crochet hook. I have both of these linked in the description below. Anytime you're doing the Alpine stitch, you'll start with an odd number of chains. For this example, I'm going to do 21. Once I have my chains, I'm going to double crochet in the third chain from hook. So we'll skip the first two and then start in the third one. And then we'll double crochet across the rest of the chains. To start the next row, we'll chain one and turn. And for this row, we're going to single crochet in every stitch across. To start the next row, we'll chain two and turn. And our very first stitch will be a double crochet. And now we'll front post double crochet in the second double crochet of the first row we created, and that does not include the chain. So we're going to find the second double crochet, place our hook behind the stitch, and then work a double crochet as normal. So that means we'll yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through two loops, yarn over, pull through two loops, and then skip the stitch behind it on the top row and place a double crochet in the next stitch of the top row. And we'll repeat this pattern. So we'll find the next double crochet. So we'll skip the next one on the bottom and go to the next one. Place our hook behind it and work a double crochet. Make sure we're not doing any stitches in the stitch right behind it, but doing a traditional double crochet in the next stitch. Chain one and turn, and now we're going to work a row of single crochets across. So anytime you're on the wrong side, you'll be doing single crochets. Chain two and turn, and now we'll be doing that Alpine stitch pattern again, but this time it'll be in the opposite stitches. So we'll do a front post double crochet in the first stitch, so it'll be beside the one from the last time we did these. And then a traditional double crochet in the next stitch. And then find that stitch again and repeat across. And from here on out, we'll just be repeating that pattern until you have the length that you like. Be sure to check out my channel for crochet projects that include stitches like the Alpine stitch. See you next time.